Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing number 122. We start with this row. We're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 8, 1 and 8 here. So that means this is our 2. No help here. So 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. No help here. 1, 6, 9. 6 here, so 1, 9. 6 here, so 1, 9. That means the only place our 6 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4, 7. 1 and 4 here, so 6, 7. 6 and 7 here, so 1, 4. Same here, 1, 4. But if we look, the only place the 6 can be is here, and that means the only place the 7 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 here, so 1, 5. 1, 5, and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. So we're still missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 9. The 1 makes this our 8. 5 makes this our 1. 9 makes this our 1. 1 makes this our 4, 1. 8. 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box now, we're only missing a 5. That 8 makes this our 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 2 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.